TALO stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Talos Energy is already kind of down. Talked about this before, but unless I see the price actually just breaking with a full candle close above $9, then this is just still gonna keep being a bearish market for me. Even this thing here, I'm willing to sell. Like no reason why not to, because when I zoomed out and I looked at Talo, it was just like a straight up bearish market. And again, you shouldn't be just kind of unhappy about it, because it's just normal, you know. Sometimes it's going up, sometimes it's going down. And here your job is just to make money, right? So I don't know the approach that you're liking to make your money from, but like if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. With Talo, I'll just continue to keep you updated. I'm not saying I'm selling, I'm waiting for just confirmation. Goodbye.